We are yet to hear a formal announcement, but we have been informed that the funeral will most likely be held tomorrow. So,
ka sorkar kalapan bana Sngi Shuti patba ha kabenta jong Shillong MP Parliamentary Constituency na kabenta ka jingtep khadu jong u Dr. Ricky AJ Sengkon. Ka sorkar kalapan bana Pyndon ka Sngi Shuti patba ha Barok ke district ki baha papo ka constituency ban ailat ki patba ban Pyndonburom khadu bat panyadon benta ha ka jingtep khadu jong unong yalam u balaklat no. Wat la empat don gajing penbana pat ba kapapura sepang kapor bon pendep ya gajing tem Henry la pentep ba kala banlong la sai kasngi kumta ka sorkar kalarai ban pensange ya kam trekam habaro jong kicaka ki baha phapo jong ka constituency kani kasngi ka badai banlong kum kasngi trekam kat kum ki compensatory holiday menshwa menta la penkala no sha kasngi Shuti ban burom ya ubalaklat bat ban pentikna bagi pat ba kinong e bat kinong kersan kinyo benta ban wan lang ban yam lang bat ban pha ya ki khubor khaddu shakayeng kasem jungu ki he sarkar ki ong bakani karai kalong kum kadak jong jing burom pat ba kapor ban sange shibenta ban ken maulang ban sngosi lang bat ban pha ya ka jing khublei khaddu sha unong shakri pat ba ubalai no ya ka.
So based on the information that has been given to us through, or rather information that's been passed on to us, that the funeral will be held tomorrow. As a government, we have decided that in order to pay respects to the departed soul and to his family members, and also to ensure that we are able to allow people to participate and to be there during the funeral, the government has decided that tomorrow, which was supposed to be a working day as part of the compensatory holidays, tomorrow being working day, the government has decided that we will declare holiday in the eastern range, or rather in the MP parliamentary constituency, in all the districts which fall under the Shillong MP parliamentary constituency seat. As I said, in order to pay respect to the departed soul, as well as to allow people to be part of the funeral that is most likely to be held tomorrow.